Judge, I'm gonna go over here and get oatmeal. He's not on our sidewalk this time.
So where are you guys going to sled?
The park.
North Boulder Park?
There you go.
Whenever there's snow in town, we're out here with our friends. So yeah, it's a lot of fun.
But not so much snow this year, right?
Not this year, no. Yeah, we're really proud to be members of Boulder Nordic, and Boulder Nordic comes out here and grooms the trails, and yeah, it's a lot of fun.
Hi.
Hey. Want me to keep going, or?
Oh yeah, keep going.
Okay.
Hey, there you are.
Oh man, that was better throwing the balloon.
Oh, this is a fun day.
Morning.
Morning.
First time we've been able to ski in town this year, and it's been a dry winter, but it's nice finally getting some snow down here.